that ain't good. Oh, look at what we just rolled up on.
Oh, wow. Well, somebody doesn't know how long their trailer is.
It's a prime. Let me see if I can get out and help them.
Show me how the Ames and Parsley. Got a semi that's almost rolled over here. If you could send me another unit. Copy. 9-2. I'll go with cover.
I'll do a 1.
Show me how the Ames and Parsley. Got a semi that's almost rolled over here. If you could send me another unit.
Copy.
9-2. I'll go with cover.
Yeah, well, I was halfway through.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the only way they're going to do it is to be able to back it off there.
Yeah, he called for backup. Another unit.
Yeah, here's the other unit. Bonehead Truckers of the Week or something like that. Where he does mostly it's Swift that's involved. So guys, it's that time real quick. I do need to thank L.W. McQuaid for sponsoring the channel. He sponsored the channel through the rest of this month, and he has sponsored the channel for next month. Holy cow, guys. So, yeah, for all of next month, he is sponsoring the channel again. So again, big thumbs up to LW. Really do appreciate it. Bonehead Truckers, yep. Send this video off to him. So this will kind of show you it is at a pretty hefty angle. Bring all the legs down level. Here, hold on. I hope you guys had a bunch of coffee with you. Hope you guys had a bunch of coffee with you.
And a bourbon, John.
Oh, he's just gonna try to take the whole weight with that big tray, with the big truck. He's gonna slide that some. He's gonna slide his rear boom underneath that trailer. Watch.
Oh, okay.
Probably could. That's a real big truck.
Yeah.
Eames is officially closed.
Yeah, that's exactly what he's gonna do. He's setting his feet down. Look right here.
Yeah. Yeah, just like that. The back of the feet go down too.
This is mostly what I'm doing for me. To show a break.
Been out here for like 2 hours, 2+ hours.
2.5, yeah.
Those guys are probably going, hey, honey, we can do this. Check this out. Oh, I get home. If you had a rough night, yeah, it's only pretty hefty stuff ahead. Yep.
I have this on my phone.
Oh.
%. Come on, guys.
Yeah, hurry.
Yeah.
Before the temperature really drops too. I don't know. Or 16 or 15. I was going to wonder if the spectators would eventually show back up or something. All the lights are moving. They're probably watching your channel.
Well, now that, yeah, it's
Yeah,
I'll just watch my channel. It's easier to just sit at home,
Yeah.
have some popcorn, soda, adult beverage. There's the boom. Here comes the boom. It's nice having a tripod.
Yeah, that is pretty cool.
Yeah, this
He's
is
nice
my
and steady. It's like,
yeah, this is my secondary tripod. I've got my main tripod still in there. That's what holds the big camera.
oh, that's your transmitter for your Wi-Fi?
No, that's actually my jump pack. It's trying to charge the phone, but it's a slow charge. So yeah, for when my battery dies on my truck, I just use that. And it does great. Let me tell you what, I hook up the jump cables for that thing and my truck.
Okay.
Yeah, I can take the battery cables completely off the battery, hook this up to the battery cables, and it'll run.
I've seen them for sale out there.
Yeah, they're not
The
cheap.
place. No, they're not. And I was like, that little bitty thing can do all that?
Yeah.
It just blows my mind.
Yeah, this thing can do up to a V6 diesel and a big block V8 gas.
That's not good.
And on this one, I can get up to 30 jump starts off of one charge. I wish we could kind of move further over there. I don't want to get out of range. Not really right pushing the limits on that spot right now. There we go. Tightens. No, dude, you cannot stop right there.
Hey, trying to stall out. So, hey,
Well,
I'm
see,
lost.
we work parked over here, and this tow truck couldn't get me wheeled around over here.
Yeah, I went through that truck. Yeah, I drove by and I went to McDonald's, grabbed some food. And then I was sitting there watching the traffic. You know, I'm going to go back and see what they're doing with that truck and trailer. Maybe something's going on before I go home. But I do think I remember seeing you guys over here when I went by the first time.
Yeah, I was
There's two vehicles and there's only one squad car, so there
Yeah.
must have been the other vehicle that was there. I didn't have to paying attention. That's too many docking at the train. Yeah, this is crazy.
And they didn't ask me to move out of the way or anything like that, to shoot my video. And, but yeah, when the truck showed up, I was like, yeah, we need to. I wasn't sure if this, I couldn't remember if this was like residence or what.
Oh yeah, the daycare.
Yeah. And I was like, I think we can
Maybe it's You're gonna put some background music in it for tension.
I don't know what I'll do with this video.
It's amazing all the different things you can do these days.
I like the angle of the boom. Maybe we can superimpose the General Lee coming up off the
Right. Evil Knievel jumping over the truck.
No kidding.
Got it pretty tall. pretty lightweight sort of aluminum frames on this thing. So
Oh
it's,
yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
He's got about 20,000 pounds in the back of that truck. So.
the underframe on the trailer is steel, but the box
Right.
itself is all lightweight
Yeah.
aluminum.
So we'll see what happens.
I know from loading those suckers up with forklifts. I know how those are
Yeah.
built.
That's my day job.
Yeah.
Everybody's got to have
Yeah.
Yeah. Out there on keeps me busy.
Yeah, this is my only job right now. So.
Yeah, what you want?
I used to be a big rig business. That's why, unfortunately, the stroke really, with my memory, I've got some speech problems, stuff like that. So, we're just waiting to see if she didn't even slow down,
Yeah,
nothing, man. I was like,
that's what I was looking at.
I was like, thank God the officer got out of the way, man.
Yeah.
She just ran him over.
He doesn't look too happy.
Jeez.
Probably going, I'm going to look at your footage later and get that plate number.
Yeah, right.
You see, this one does the same thing. Eventually, they're going to get tired of this.
Well,
They're just going to turn it.
they've been watching the screen. I want to go out there and watch it.
Either that or they think it's a sobriety test site. And they're getting into it. Now turn quick. We're going to full set. Stop walking along.
I had people emailing me and texting me about that route on the bridge.
Oh, that's what you're talking
Yeah,
about over here.
there's, I didn't go to it. And the reason was because originally I was and jumped from the bridge. And
I never did.
I don't run on mental health calls. Unless it is a direct threat to the public or like that. I don't run on medical calls. Calls involving insurance.
Did you?
Unless it's a direct threat.
Did you hear something about the motorcycle that went into the little recontamination material? Or what? Went into a building? Somebody's asking me about it.
I had people asking me to go out and video that.
Yeah, I was this morning, and some people were asking if I ride it.
No.
I said usually it's people over driving their abilities. So most of the time, I don't know what that would happen.
That's the second bike within 2 weeks. of each
That's
other.
what somebody was telling me.
And then I've got video about 3 weeks before that of SUV going into that same corner of the building. The two bikes and the SUV all get the same.
Oh, be there.
Well, that corner is off Cambridge, so if
Yeah.
you're coming into it too hot, you're
That's
going
what
to
I
go
told
right
them.
to that corner.
If you're outriding your ability, or driving a
Right.
vehicle, you're gonna, the nurse is gonna take you into it.
My hearts and prayers go out to the families. And both bikes, both riders come.
Crazy. Just talking about it. They'll probably have to eventually do something. Yeah. That just the belt slipping. It's like a slap or something.
You guys, I'm obviously outside my truck, so I can't see chat whatsoever.
Now I'm riding clean in my truck. I had popcorn.
Right? Hey, I'm sitting in my truck eating popcorn right
and
now.
a soda from McDonald's. At least it's not a tornado and they're not setting on mobile homes, right?
I've got video of that already.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Where I used to live, the air raid sirens were going off. And I do storm chasing as well.
Oh, wow. That's
And
gotta
so
be
I
something
immediately
else.
came out of the house and started filming with the air raid sirens going on. I'm looking up at, yeah, I'm one of those people. I'm
No,
looking
you're
up
not
at the
good.
cloud going, hey!
I'm from Nebraska because that's what we do to the chiefs. Oh, hey, they're in somebody's barn.
Right.
Everyone else is running for cover, and we're going outside.
Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah, hey,
Huh?
cool.
Me and my dad and I one time, the officers went by and get inside. And my dad just waved.
Yeah, I never said that I was the brightest tool in the shade.
man, I moved here from California, so I'm used to the ground just like
Oh,
rocking
yeah.
and rolling underneath you. I'm like, shit. If it ain't a 6.0, I ain't getting out of bed.
See, and that happened here or anything, I'd probably leave my contents. They'd be like, oh, it's like seasickness or something.
It's just with 4.0. Go back to sleep.
Like, oh, Independence Day.
Look at the king. That king.
That snaps or something?
Oh,
I don't know
that
if
thing
it's
snapped. Well, no, that king snapped.
Just top of everything.
And it just, the motor go over and the body takes it.
Yeah, you got all that insight. I haven't got knowledge about this stuff.
And you're looking at about 20,000 pounds that is inside the trailer right now, plus the trailer.
The pink and about 2-inch steel. It runs on the walls. When you got out and looked at the outside, that was always easy.
I've only loaded 3 trucks in my life, all with a hammer. The crank it up with the pallet jack and then drag it in. Because they wouldn't allow forklifts on
Oh.
the trailers.
Had a couple of trailers like that.
Yep.
And I'm like, oh, this ain't for me.
Then I got older and said, hey, where's those young guys?
Well, what me and a buddy did when we were young.
No,
we
give
were-
me if I can't drive a forklift in there, then you better get me a power jack.
Yeah, there you go.
Well, we used to hang-
Slider or something. Yeah.
as teenagers, we used to go down to the shipping yards in Denver, and we'd listen to CD and stuff. And drivers would be calling out for hunters and stuff. We're like, yeah, we can unload the truck until they just give you a freaking hand lift, and it takes all day to freaking unload the truck.
Them tractor releasing its brakes and stuff.
It sounds like I'm not sure if it's a big that truck or
Usually, sneaky pizza would be setting the little secret like the liquor store where it used to be. And once traffic and Joe comes by, they got used to another.
we got some pretty good. We got some good people.
Yeah, definitely.
And at first, I got my mods.
Yep.
Film the story, not be a part of it. Even though I've gotten pulled over a few times on my lives. You're gone. Well, for like a headlight out, tail light out, stuff like that. And I'm like, oh man. And they'll come up to me and it's like, hey, what's up, guy? You again? Yes. Get that fit. Okay. I will. It's like I've got an extra headlight inside the truck just in case I lose a headlight.
Doesn't seem like a very good car, does it?
Well, like I said, there's engineers out
Yeah,
there
that's
right
true.
now that are saying, well, you get a couple of 2x4s, you build the A-frame, and you can go ahead and just lift that thing right on up.
Yeah, exactly.
People smarter than me.
And then you got the mechanics that are actually going to build it, cursing the engineers out.
Right?
Yeah.
Well, you got to have the Sheldons of the world, and then you got to have the Wallowitzes of the world too, man.
Yeah.
Beating on the wheels.
Yeah. Maybe that one got tucked under. Trying to pry it
Well,
away
that's
from
on the
it.
drive. Yeah, that's on the drive.
Oh, that's not on that trailer. That's right.
The trailer's up on.
There's well.
Unless they're trying to get it to. I don't know. We're up to 95 now. Well, when we started, we were almost at 200. But, yeah, I mean, it's taken, this is taken forever. So, that and the streamers in California.
Oh.
This is kind of the only thing going on in Cheyenne right
Well, yeah,
now.
I mean,
It's about the past month and a half. It's been slow, very slow. Right? So, I've lost years too. So now that it's starting the test coming tomorrow, I'll be out tomorrow at 3 in the afternoon. Tomorrow and Sunday, streaming during the day. So I'm just trying to see what's what. Because I listened to the standard layers. That standard rapid. You know, how about we just get about a 5-ton jack up under there and we can just go ahead and lift that side up with the slider. Don't think that'll work?
Screw it. I mean, the load, at this point, the load's lost. I'm sure that guardrail around the bridge is gone.
yeah.
I'll just climb in the driver's seat and just
jerk it back like you're stuck in mud, right? Back and forth.
Back and forth.
We need some wood. We need a 5-ton jack. We need a couple of wooden planks so we can get a.
Yeah.
I mean, hey, what could possibly go wrong?
Yeah.
Maybe I don't know. I mean, what could possibly go wrong?
man.
I guess we could fly in one of the Black Hawk helicopters from the base.
Yeah, there you
and
go.
lift that sucker out.
Yeah. And then big twin.
The Chinooks.
Yeah, the Chinook. That's it. Yeah.
That's what I used to when I was in the
I always love to watch them things moving around. Yeah.
Cobras and Pumas.
Definitely don't. Something's going to go here eventually. Almost like watching a fishing show. What do you think's going to happen? Are you reading the replies and stuff? Oh, there it comes. You gotta flip it right back off. That's pretty cool. That was pretty smooth, wasn't it? Yeah. That's so nice. Yep. After that, I used to go to college. So that's been something. That's right.
Oh, Jake, for becoming a front seater, thank you. Holy cow, thank you very much. So yeah, it slid right on off there.
No, Mark, it's not Prime. It's actually Swift.
Right. That somebody was asking earlier, when did Swift buy out Prime? That was pretty good. And that thing came right on down. You might actually be able to drive this thing away. Maybe.
That wheel's the good job.
As long as he doesn't try to go underneath the the railroad tracks
Yeah,
right
I
there.
was thinking he doesn't have the clearance myself, but I didn't go up and nose
The front of the trailer, it'll say the height is on. And actually, drivers can look in the rearview mirror if they forget, and you can see the height of the trailer. So that was pretty slick. I thought it was going to be a little more dramatic. And ooh, okay.
Things are just settling.
Yeah.
Oh, they just moved it to the side.
Moving away from it so it don't go right back up.
Well, the front end of the truck is still no height. It's still up and it's rubbing against the railing up there. So at least the trailer was off. The front of the trailer was off the drive tires. Yeah, if they scoot this trailer over a little more, it should be about this and that on that. Heck of a job by these guys.
No kidding, dude. That's awesome.